As our building fairy godfather leaves level 2, he heads downstairs to his office and turns into a wicked witch.
I've come downstairs and I've heard that you've offered one of the guys downstairs a slab of beer.
Let's bring you up to speed with what's going on.
I had 100 pieces of timber downstairs, and here I saw a crane not being used, and 2 and 2 together, simple. I thought, I'll ask Luke, can we use the crane?
Thank you. Thanks very much.
And to my surprise, he said yes.
Well, appreciate the effort.
And wanted just a slab of beer in return.
We had our beautiful 100-odd pieces of timber fly through the air and land majestically on our terrace. How beautiful.
The rule was contestants don't use the crane this year at all, and you were told that clearly.
Yeah.
The guy behind my back, you knew the rules, you broke them, and we are playing for big stakes on the block. You can't cheat. There's no cheating at all.
I felt like I was in the principal's office. I was standing up the front as I was being told I'd broken all the rules.
After sending the builders home early yesterday, the timber has now arrived, but it's too big to fit in the lift. So Carla tried a shortcut.
Yeah, I guess we're looking at any advantage to make it happen, but...
So I think what we'll do is we'll crane the timber back down. Really annoyed.
Yeah, no, that's fair. I shouldn't have done it, and we'll bring it down and we'll walk it up.
Okay.
It is what it is. It's a real shame, but rules are rules, I guess. The crane was still operating and no one was using it, so it was worth a shot asking. And I guess that's part of a game, is that you know the rules and you kind of flirt with them and see what you can get away with.
So after thinking she was so clever, Carla is going to have to carry her timber like everybody else. And when you live in the penthouse, that's a long walk.
Did you get your beer back?
No. No, that was a donation to the Crane's
Luke.
cause.
Wow.